All right, let's see if just a little, yeah, cell phone tool. I'll get this out. One of these little guys. Yeah, I did put some plastic wrap just on the back of this, or plastic bag that I cut a chunk out of, just to get it in there. I'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, yeah, so it looks like this side here with the blank out plate on it has tabs, so hopefully this side, okay, looks like that popped free. Oh, don't pop it back in, damn it. Okay. Might just be able to use the brokenness of that to get in there. Yeah. All right. Here's interesting. Sort of bowed out plastic. I wonder if this one's, was there one there? These ones have like this sort of plasticky bit there. I don't know if that's just deformed over time or what. Either way, yeah, might take a minute to clean this up and resume when I'm putting the other one back in. But yeah, it's going to be just straightforward. You know, this tab here goes into there and then just clicks into place. It should be done, then put the knobs back on. But yeah, I'll grab something to wipe this out and continue then. Okay, and I think this here in the center is the only light that illuminates this whole thing. Obviously, if yours was bad, this would be a moment to take this out and swap it, but that one still lights up. I don't think these light up, even though they have like the white plastic going through. I don't think there's any provision for these to actually light, because it is just like a metal tabs there. Anyway, so this should be just a simple matter of popping that into that tab, that end, and then clip, clip, clip. See, I did get some fresh knobs here for it. See how they look in comparison. I mean, the old ones aren't bad at all, so let's see. Yeah, different, a bit wider of a white stripe on it. I think I'll just put the old ones back on. And let's see, it's still daylight out, so it might be hard to see, but yeah, not really making out the difference there. Here, let's get tight in on it. Oh, there, like this. Can't do it one hand. I got one hand holding things. Might just have to wait until it's dark. Here, let's try like this. Barely see it. Here we go. Anyway, that's a replacement. Yeah, like I was saying, a little disappointed in the fit of this here. I do have another of these plates. I haven't ordered it yet. I might see if like I can find somebody that can do this, because I would really prefer it if it were in that color. obviously, you know, zoom in on your part number there, in case anybody's interested. All right, but yeah, not bad. Definitely makes it look better. Yeah, that's not ideal. Peace.